Gas up the bike and get ready to rev your engines for the reveal of the Grease Monkey collection designed by Tracy Smith. I'm Amy Sonneman and I get the pleasure of revealing this marvelous vintage garage collection featuring motorcycles, muscle cars, gas pumps, tools, hubcaps, dartboards, golf clubs, and so much more. Let's hit the gas and see what this collection has to offer. The Grease Monkey collection kit includes 6 double-sided papers with lots of wonderful designs, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of the papers in this collection. If you enjoy cut-aparts, the Rebel paper includes 2 4x6 cut-aparts as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts. It includes this amazing beard growth chart, which I think is absolutely awesome. There are some motorcycles as well as golf clubs, fun phrases and cards that you could easily use for titles, as well as some great quotes. You could use them for layouts, a pocket page, or even a card front. These would make awesome cards for any Rebel in your life. The back features this fun chain link fence. If you like vintage American muscle, this collection offers it in both 2 wheels and 4. The One Fast Dude paper includes a host of street signs, as well as checkered flags, gas pumps, batteries, and sayings. This paper has everything you need to keep your engines and your creativity running for days. I'm loving the wall of wheels on a brown background featured on the back of this paper. Get your batteries charged with the lightning paper and the black and white checkered designs that are perfect for mixing and matching with all of the elements in this collection. Stay in your lane with this stunning striped paper called Passing Lane, or add some fun to paper crafting projects with this retro hip polka dot paper featured on the back. Rev your engines and leave some tracks with the Legend paper, which features these cool tire tracks. The back of this paper includes a fun collection of vintage signs. These would be so much fun to cut apart and mount with foam tape for 3-dimensional design elements for any of your paper crafting projects. Zoom on by with this great black and white geometric design, perfect for backgrounds on layouts and cards. How much fun would it be to mix and match with this dashed line paper? Next, I want to show you the details in the element sticker sheet, which include tons of fun icons. You'll find vintage motorcycles and muscle cars, golf clubs, golf balls, dartboards, lots of sayings, some fun title elements, a banner strip, checkered flags, and this great 12-inch border that looks like a fence at the very bottom. Mix and match these fun elements on your projects for even more options. This set includes tons of sayings, signs, tickets, tags, tires, as well as frames. This collection also includes a stamp set, coordinating dies, which are sold separately, as well as a die paper. The stamp set includes a dartboard, this fun gas pump, a checkered flag, this lightning bolt, and a dart. It also includes 3 fun sentiments. All of the elements that you see on the die paper can be cut out with the coordinating dies. So if you're not a stamper, you can pick up the coordinating dies as well as the die paper and create lots of cards with no stamping involved. If you are a store owner and want to create make and takes, you can easily pick up the die paper as well as some dies, cut out all of the elements, and pre-package them into make and take packages. Perfect for Father's Day or just for fun. If you're a stamper, this stamp set is absolutely incredible. Look at this fun gas pump. I have visions of using this gas pump in my Disney layouts for all of the pictures that I took in Cars Land. Cars Land is my favorite place and my favorite ride in Disney. So I think I'm going to use this gas pump and color it like the gas pumps in Cars Land. So I think that would be a lot of fun. So think outside of the box and see where you might be able to use some of these different elements in scrapbooking as well as card making and even in pocket pages. As you can see here, I have some of the elements pre-cut so that you can see what they look like after they're cut with the dies. This collection is perfect for birthdays, Father's Day, documenting a garage makeover, a tune-up, or hanging out with friends. Thank you so much for coming along on this ride with me as we discover the Grease Monkey collection. We would love to hear your thoughts on this collection, so please leave us a message. While you're at it, give this video a quick thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified when any new reveal videos get published. Thanks for watching.